Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a custom audience with your Facebook ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a custom audience with your Facebook ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have a list of customers or people who have interacted with you, the chances are Facebook is going to be able to find similar folks to those previous customers. So by creating a custom audience, it's giving Facebook more data so that way they can go out and find similar customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Facebook ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a custom audience, here on the left side, you're going to click on these three little people. It's called audiences. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different audiences you might have already put together. However, to put together a custom audience, click on this blue button here, create audience. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options. So saved audience is basically, you're going to go through Facebook's options and then choose a section of people who you think might be your customer. Lookalike audience is telling Facebook to go find people who are similar to an audience that you already have. And then custom audience, that's what we're going to do right here. So connect with people who have already shown interest in your business or product. Okay, so now in order to build a custom audience, you need to give Facebook a source. So you can link your Instagram account, you can link your website. So you need to give Facebook some sort of data so that way they know who the audience is. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, which is pretty common. Basically, you're just going to upload your customer list. All right, once you've chosen, click on next. Okay, so here they let you know that the data should be CSV or text. Needs to have at least 100 customers. And then also they show you the formatting. You can download a file template if you want. So scroll through here and then click on next. Okay, here is where you're going to go ahead and use your CSV or text file from your desktop. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and match the column in the correct format. And then you're going to upload. Once you've done that and it's been accepted by Facebook, you're going to get a confirmation and your custom audience would be added here into your audiences tab in Facebook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a custom audience in your Facebook ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.